Okay. Hi everybody at DIYMA. How the hell you doing? Now, I know we're all gonna die of COVID and shit anyway, right? Economy's bad. Most of us aren't working, right? Most of us aren't. Shit, I'm not doing anything. But I'm in Portland, Oregon. Yeah, this cancer. So, I'm just wondering if any of you guys are in the Atlanta area. We got a brother over here that could really use some help, man. Maybe get some views on your YouTube channel, install some 8-inch woofers, something kind of cool. Be kind of a first for this kind of car. I think it'd be kind of fun. Anybody want to go ahead and chime on in? Be kind of fun to do. I'm just saying, it's kind of difficult. But I'm pretty sure we got some guys out in Atlanta that could go ahead and maybe lend a hand really quick. I think so. I don't think it'd be too hard. At least at the very minimum, see if it's even possible. That probably wouldn't take very many of us like pro guys. Probably maybe 20 minutes or something like that to go and stop on by. Koontz will buy you a beer. I'm pretty sure he'll do that. So, if you guys want to actually do something cool during this little COVID crisis, because like I said, pretty soon, remember, we're going to be busy as hell. We got a whole America to rebuild. Let's go ahead and do something kind of cool for the people that, honestly, man, could, lend a hand, right? I mean, they need one, all right? Not everybody hands work perfectly. Mine are kind of fucked up. So for you guys who are, young and able-bodied, maybe you want to learn something, Koontz is over here, and he could really use a hand. And like I said, pass it on. You know what I'm saying? It's what America's all about. It's why we are the best. Yeah, the Britain's okay. But we're better than you UK guys anyway. So, if you guys want to go ahead and do something kind of cool, if you're out in the Atlanta area, get on DIYMA really quick. We got a guy named Koontz, and he can really use a hand. So if you actually know anything about speaker installation, I mean seriously, maybe you're a hardware guy. Maybe you know how to go and install cabinets and stuff, and you know how to use a tape measure. We could really use your help. It'd be kind of fun. Thanks a lot, man. This is IMG503. Have a great one, everybody. And thank you for helping out if you can. Peace.